The hormone estrogen. The effects of hormone estrogen, it somewhere protects heart cholesterol. In the liver, there is a production of cholesterol. Density of the bones increases with the help of this hormone estrogen. The skin will become have a facing anti-aging effect through the estrogen. The memory function, body temperature adjustment, libido adjustment, all are done by this hormone. The growth of breast and feeding function done by this estrogen. In the ovary, there is a menstruation stimulation done by this estrogen. Monthly preparation for pregnancy and menstrual cycle is also in the uterus is controlled by this estrogen hormone. Now you can understand why it is in the news. You have to understand. A recent study in Nature by research at universities of California uncovered a brain derived hormone CCN3 which increases bone mass in postpartum lactating mothers. What is this hormone estrogen? Estrogen is a crucial hormone for a female reproduction and sexual growth. It manages the menstrual cycle and is vital for developing features such as breasts. Estrogen is important for heart health and maintaining strong bones. It is mostly made in the ovaries but also in small amounts by the adrenal glands and fats. This hormone affects various parts of the body like brain, heart, skin, and bones. Having imbalanced estrogen levels can cause health problems like osteoporosis and heart disease. Role of hormone estrogen in bone growth. Estrogen is essential for bone growth and formation, acting as a supervisor signaling bone building. When breastfeeding, estrogen production decreases to focus on making milk, which might make bones weaker. Despite expectations, mothers' bone get stronger to meet their baby's need for calcium. How does the hidden hormone help keep mom's bone healthy? While breastfeeding, the body reduces estrogen production to concentrate on milk making, which could weaken bones. Even with low estrogen, mother bones toughen up. Scientists discovered that KISS1 neurons in the hypothalamus, a part of the brain, release the CCN3 hormone, aiding in maintaining and potentially increasing bone mineralization. Experimental results. In trials with genetically changed mice, those without the estrogen receptor alpha still had healthy bones due to CCN3. When CCN3 was applied to skeletal stem cells, it notably boosted bone formation, displaying its ability to strengthen bones independently of estrogen.